Yeah, KGL, East Africa, Africa to the world. Yo, yeah, them call me a good bad boy, shatter, cooler, believer, champion, monster, conqueror, for real. The teacher, the preacher, conductor, vibrator, kaboom fire. I'm Mr. Dreams, the top baddest, stop connector, the true monster, the true hustler, the humble man, the most unusual guy, the motivator, the extravaganza, a number one rapid test boy. I live, the life I love, and I love, the life I live. The top shatter, number one Mr. Energetic man, alongside Ghetto Youth Mogul, Ghetto Youth General, alongside ATM Machine, alongside Boomfire, a super. Tell him.
Yeah, man.
Talk to your people.
Yeah, man. The game changer. Bad man.
Yeah, man.
President of the street.
Yeah, man.
Ambassador of the ghetto.
Yeah, man.
Voice of the money.
Yeah, man.
The best of East Africa.
The
front training commander. ATM Machine. The original copy. The brother from another mother. The King Kong, super manager, the King Kong. Yes, I'm the King Kong. Inspiration of the youth. From zero to hero. From nowhere to everywhere.
Yeah,
from
man.
nothing to something. From scratch to the sky.
Boom.
From grass to grace.
Boom.
From pity to Paris.
Boom.
From victim to the champion. Mtoto wa Mungu.
Boomfire.
The Konyene boy. Talk of the city.
Boom.
Most wanted.
Boom.
Library.
Boom.
King of social media.
Boom.
Super manager in the building. YAGO in the building. YAGO na bad man. Super manager in the house. Super manager in the building. Super manager in the house. Yeah, man, the bad
As
man.
I said, KGL, stand up. East Africa, stand up. Africa to the large, stand up. It's been a while, no chatting, no jazzing between two big energetic men.
Yeah,
super manager alongside YAGO. YAGO TV show, YAGO Pondat, representing Kaboom Fire. Best interview ever, best music ever. Boom! Talk of the city.
Yeah, talk of the city.
How is life?